Hello.
Troops every day. Keep out of trouble.
His capture was supposed to be quiet.
I know.
Jubei. Oyuki.
Atsu, there you are. There are rumors everywhere about you. About the Onryo massacring the Spider's men.
You weren't there, Jubei. They deserved worse.
I don't doubt it, but... Atsu, every time you're near a member of the Yotei 6, it's like I don't recognize you.
The Onryo will not bring you peace.
They were performing the Night of the Burning Tree. I thought you understood. That you wanted to help me.
I do. I just...
We aren't sure this path you're on is helping you.
I know what I'm doing. Now where's the spider?
He's being held under guard. You can see him, but we're coming with you.
Lead the way.
Commander Wada has agreed. We'll use the spider as bait.
Good. We just need the dragon to take it.
We will stage the spider's execution. Make it public.
The dragon will stop at nothing to save his brother.
And then our army will ambush him when he tries.
A trap to bring down both Saito brothers. We'd better break the news to the spider.
Be careful when you talk to him. He knows he has power over both of you.
Kiku?
I wouldn't feel bad if they killed me. I was just quick.
Kiku, stop it! Get away from him!
Why don't you ask your father here? I'm sure he sent plenty of men to their graves.
Wait outside. Now.
What's the matter? Do I still scare you after all these years? It's Lord Kitamori now, isn't it? And your sister, the famous ghost. I knew you both when you were babes.
Last time we met, you were screaming for help. Or are you still too drunk to remember?
Did that feel good? Killing all my men?
I wish I could have finished the job.
I'm too valuable.
You're nothing but a pawn. Bait to lure your brother in.
You think it's so easy to defeat Clan Saito?
It has been so far.
They'll come for me. And when they do, anything could happen. People could get hurt. Even little girls.
Very soon, your head will be rolling on the ground. We are done here. What was Kiku thinking going in there?
Jubei, Kiku helped us sneak into Lord Tamura's estate.
You took her with you?
It was a little more complicated than that.
We will discuss this later.
You can't keep sheltering her. She needs to be ready for the spiders of this world.
Kiku, it's natural to be curious, but you must also be careful.
Father, I'm sorry.
All I want is to keep you from this war. But perhaps I should be preparing you for it.
Can I learn to fight?
I suppose it's time. You need to learn how to survive outside these walls. Will you two help me?
Of course.
We have a few tricks up our sleeve.
I know. Meet us at the base of the mountain. We'll make a day of it.
Another sold for hire. Be careful! I just ran away from a wolf!
Where did you see this wolf?
Not far from here. I think I was near its den. I like that people are afraid of me. Makes the work easier.
Come!
Point the sword you have there.
It'll be their mistake. That horse doesn't listen to any—
Atsu!
Give us a moment, Kiku.
How is she doing?
Better, but still shaken by her talk with the spider. After you massacred his men, Kiku told me she spoke with you.
I didn't want her to see me like that.
She has an anger in her, just like you. But she hides it well.
Jubei.
How can I protect Kiku without losing her?
She's angry because she feels alone. Show her the world. Bring her with you instead of leaving her behind.
Even if it changes her?
She's already changing. At least you'll be there to guide her.
It helps that you're around, too. I thought we could spend the day with her. There's a temple up the mountain that Saito ordered his forces to leave untouched. The climb should be peaceful.
We can have dinner at the temple. Teach Kiku how to cook.
But first, how would you like to be a training target? Kiku's itching to hit something.
I'm always happy to be a sparring partner.
We'll start simple. Atsu's improvisational style is easiest to learn.
There's a compliment in there somewhere.
Is this how I hold it?
Perfect.
Now let's see if you can hit me.
I won't hold back.
Good. Almost too good.
Shake it off. Block the next one.
Yes, father.
bad.
I have a lot to learn.
You did well. Be proud.
I know I am. Now Oyuki has her own lesson to teach you. And I want to reach the temple by sundown. Come on, run ahead, Kiku. We'll catch up.
Lady Oyuki!
I thought I might have to come find you.
Atsu and I dueled!
And yet you walk away unscathed.
She'll have a few bruises tomorrow.
Any sign of Clan Saito?
All is quiet for now. Come, Kiku. I want to show you something. Some people live their whole life in one place, but never truly understand it. Because their view is narrow.
How can that be?
Atsu and I will show you. Kiku, when Atsu points out a location, tell me the first thing that comes to mind.
Matsumae Castle.
My home. It looks so small from here.
And yet, within its walls, the keep towers over you.
Oiso fishing village.
Father says it's dangerous.
And what do you think?
The desperate and scared do things they normally wouldn't.
The lighthouse.
A great victory. You freed it from the dragon.
He still got away.
Both things can be true. It's all a matter of perspective. Now that your view has widened, we will use these landmarks to create a map.
Can't we just buy one?
Drawing will help you memorize where to go. I'll show you.
How did you learn to draw like that?
Years of getting lost.
Atsu has a delicate touch when it comes to art.
Oyuki exaggerates. Here.
I can keep it?
Use it as a base, something to add on to as we pass more landmarks.
Time to get moving. We'll have to find our own dinner. The monks at the temple have limited supplies.
Then let's look for mushrooms. They're easy to find.
Foraging is an invaluable skill, especially when times are hard.
Look in damp places, but avoid the spotted mushrooms. Right, Jubei?
She doesn't need to hear that story.
What story?
As a child, Jubei thought the spotted kind had magical powers.
Did they?
No.
So what happened to father?
A spotted mushroom left him squatting for days. Wah! The smell!
Careful, sister. I have stories too. One time, your aunt vomited undercooked rabbit all over the house.
Charming, both of you.
Atsu, don't stray too far.
That should...
Let's head up to the temple.
She's friendly.
The last time we saw a wolf.
She was not the predator that day. Trust me, if we don't threaten her, she won't hurt us.
If you're sure about this.
Does she want us to follow?
Let's find out.
Can I?
Yes, but stay with Atsu.
How did you know she was friendly?
This wolf and I have been through a lot together.
I didn't know wolves could be pets.
She's not a pet, Kiku.
But before you said she wouldn't hurt us.
Because I show her the proper respect.
How do you know what's respectful to an animal?
Get bit enough and you learn pretty quick.
But wolf bites can kill.
So learn from something that won't.
Like a dog. Or a fox. She led us to a friend. He's trapped.
We can free him. Help me move this. Together!
It's heavy. Guess that means he's all right.
Nicely done. What about you? Are you all right?
He didn't hurt me.
I mean what happened at the estate. With the spider and his men.
I don't know. For just a moment, I didn't recognize you. You are an Onryo, not my aunt.
I'm sorry you had to see that. I'll always be your aunt.
Will you always be an Onryo too?
I don't know. Come on, it's getting dark. Let's return to the others.
Is every day this exciting when you're wandering Ezo?
I'm usually alone,
You don't have to be.
so I'm learning. Watch your step, it's slippery.
No more than the castle walls when it's raining.
There they are.
Pick up the trapped wolf.
A deed I am sure they will not forget.
It's getting late. We need to go. The temple is at the top of the mountain. We should make it before nightfall.
I'll race you there.
I would call today a success.
It has been a nice distraction. Do you really think the dragon...
The dragon has done monstrous things, but he loves his brother. He'll come. For now, enjoy this time, Atsu.
Here we are, the temple.
It's beautiful.
These monks are friends. If anything happens, Kiku, this is safe refuge. You come here.
I understand.
Welcome. We set up a camp for you at the edge of the grounds.
Thank you.
I'm starving.
I'll do the cooking.
Prepare yourself.
Hey.
Kiku, remind me to find you a flint rock tomorrow. Without one, it's harder to build a fire.
I always keep a spare on me. You can have it.
Thank you, Lady Uyuki.
That is very kind.
Oh, Atsu. At least add salt. Or miso.
Just be happy it's not salmon.
Keep talking and I'll burn your mushrooms.
That's a given.
Well, Kiku, how was your meal? Don't lie.
You can't be good at everything.
That's the last meal I cook for you.
Promise.
Quiet, you.
What about some music? Remember how Mother used to play the shamisen after we ate?
Can you teach me how to create lyrics?
After you insulted my cooking?
Please?
Fine. But I picked the song.
たらすは想像我らが鼓動響きは一つ君の主に我の背にもあり
Hardly recognize the castle from up here. It's beautiful.
If only we had some sake to go with the view.
I had been saving it for a special occasion.
My lord, drinking on temple grounds is most improper.
We're at the edge of the grounds. Besides, I think my daughter has earned her first sip of sake.
This is much better than the jars you keep at home. Which you will find exactly where you left them.
But lighter, I suspect.
I topped them off with water so you wouldn't notice.
You have to be impressed. At her age, we just buried the bottle.
It's good for a woman to have a strong constitution.
A woman.
More, please.
Sake is meant to be sipped, not gulped like a fish.
Heed his word, Kiku. Your nights will be sweeter, and your mornings less painful.
I wish we could stay here forever.
So do I. But we need to get back soon.
Why don't you use your map to lead us home? It will be good practice.
I'll meet you at Matsumae Castle when it's time.
Then we'll stage the spider's execution. And see if the dragon takes the bait.
Kiku, why don't you find some more mushrooms on the way home? Good practice.
I don't like how they taste.
That depends on the cook.
We will greet them, as we do any traveler. We will not leave them here.
But they act out of fear.
And we will show them the peace they have forgotten. Welcome, traveler.
Do your business and get going. Follow the rules, and we will not have a problem. I wonder what is going to happen now that you...
Relax.
Ending the dragon and the spider in one stroke would be a huge victory.
We'll be ready.
It's finally happening.
Tomorrow we will stage the spider's execution on the beach. The Matsumai will wait in hiding. When the dragon comes to rescue his brother, we will ambush him.
Is this really going to work?
It's the only path open to us. Better we die defending our home now than starve in 2 months.
True.
And this may be your best chance to cross a few names off that sash.
I've been fighting them for so long. Mostly in my nightmares.
After tomorrow, we can all rest easy.
Not until we have Saito himself.
One battle at a time. Try to get some sleep. We'll meet at the prison in the morning. Atsu.
I'm ready.
Time to go, Spider.
Both of you. I'm honored.
Enjoy it while you can.
Your plan will fail. My brother will come for me, and then he'll destroy you.
I'd argue, but there's no point talking to a dead man.
Father! Antatsu!
Kiku, go back home. Wait until I come for you.
This will all be over soon.
Run along, little flower.
Quiet!
She needs to learn. Our families have been at war for a long time.
The night of the burning tree wasn't war. It was a massacre.
I wasn't given a choice. That night, if my brother and I didn't shoot you, our father would have done worse to us.
You destroyed our family.
That's my father's way.
Excuses don't wash away the blood.
No, that's what sake is for.
Hide those troops behind the building! We can't let them spot us!
Oyuki, I pulled every string I have. All of Ezo knows the spider is being executed today. His brother will come.
And then you'll lose.
Even if you were right, I shudder to think what Lord Saito would do with you after such a disgrace.
What do you know of my father?
Didn't they tell you? I was the kitsune.
What?
All that time you had a woman standing next to you and never knew it.
You're a traitor!
And you're a dead man.
Matsumai! Hurry! Take positions! Remain in cover until the order is given!
Guards, tie him up.
Where should we send your corpse?
I'm touched you care. My clan's burial grounds are near a shrine in Tokachi Range.
Your father and brother will join you there soon enough.
Atsu, over here. The soldiers are in position.
Now we wait.
This better work.
There! Ships in the fog! Atsu, can you see anything?
It's the dragon's boat.
Good. He's taking the bait.
And this one. Something's wrong. It looks empty.
What? On your left, Atsu. Another ship.
I see it. No, it can't be. It's Saito. He's here.
I'm here, father!
Wait, a flare. It's a signal.
Attacking the castle.
Ships are a distraction.
We're in the wrong place. The castle is undefended. Matsumai! Retreat! Back to the castle!
You are too late!
Atsu! We have to go!
Running from a fight? Father!
Kill her.
Atsu! Kiku is in danger. I need your help.
Saito is here.
Your niece could die.
Please. Let it go, sister.
I can't.
Aim true, brother! Matsumai thought they could surprise us. Their trap will be their own destruction!
All I care about is yours.
Couldn't stop me the last time.
Because you ran away like a coward.
Shoot now, Spider! This will be the end of the Onryo and her brother.
I didn't come this far to die on a beach.
Fire!
You can't win.
It's the only thing I can do. I've waited 16 years for this.
Wait for the shot, Spider!
Your brother's spider! Face me! Spider! You coward! Where are you?
Killed 5 of our men!
We're losing ground!
let this happen? On the day of our victory. You were his brother.
I tried, Father.
You failed. Like you fail at everything.
I'll avenge him, I swear. I'll find the Ondio.
She would kill you where you stand. Which is all you deserve. Go. Lay your brother to rest. Do that much for him. Then drink yourself to death for all I care.
Maybe they made it to the temple. Jubei! Oyuki! Are you here? Kiku! Where are you? Kiku? You're alive.
Lady Oyuki and father held off the soldiers. He told me to run. Is he with you? We have to go back. We have to find them.
The castle's fallen, Kiku.
But father...
I know. But Jubei would want you to be safe. We have to go. I'm sorry.
Where are we going?
Somewhere safe.
Can we rest?
We have to keep moving. Can't take a chance Saito's men might spot us.
It doesn't matter. Father's gone. Oyuki's gone.
They aren't dead, Kiku. You have to believe that.
You don't know.
But I won't give up. I'll track down the spider. He'll know where Jubei and Oyuki were taken.
The spider could be anywhere.
There's an old teacher of mine who can help me find him. Hanbei was once the best bounty hunter in Ezo.
That's what you're betting my father's life on? Some washed-up bounty hunter?
It's the only lead we have, Kiku. I'm sorry. We're here.
What is this place?
Where your father and I grew up. People think it's haunted. They won't bother us. We'll be safe. Come on.
Is that a grave?
Those are your grandparents. They died years ago.
Like Lady Oyuki and...
They're alive, Kiku. They have to be. Come on. Let's get you inside. This was our house.
How come father never brought me here?
Jubei created a new life for himself. And you. This is where we all slept.
It's so... small.
Yet we were happy. Let's get some sleep. We'll talk in the morning. It's going to be all right, Kiku. You'll see. Kiku!
No!
What's happening?
You bastard!
Kiku!
I'll kill you! I'll kill you! Saito can't get away with this. I'll kill him! And save father. Why weren't you there for him?
Because I was angry. Like you are now. Saito and the Yotei 6 murdered your grandparents. And they shot your father and tried to burn me alive. I swore I'd hunt them down to bring our family peace.
You are an Onryo. You only brought death.
Kiku, I'm so sorry. Jubei and Oyuki are alive, Kiku. I will find the spider and fix this. I promise. Should be safe here. I hope Hanbei is still on Mount Yotei.
You guys, thanks again for watching that Gentleman Jug play. Please check out all the other things that Gentleman Jug has to offer, especially all the videos. And if you like this video, please do all the other things all the other YouTubers tell you to do. And check out the Gentleman Jug cast, pretty much available wherever you can listen to your Jug cast. Peace out! Genius of my sound, born at the bottom, but now I'm top down. Look, I'ma call it swagger. I slip through time zones like a cloak and dagger. Mad rubies.